Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you can see from the title, for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I diffuse my hair. You guys have asked me so many times to make a whole video on this on YouTube. I have done little snippets and posted them on Instagram, but I decided to do a full video since my hair is fully styled right now of how I diffuse my hair. But before I show you guys that, I did want to check in on you guys and make sure everyone's being safe, everyone's okay. I know it's really tough out there, and for our essential workers, thank you so much for putting yourselves out there, and your hard work does not go unnoticed. So everyone, please be safe. It is so scary to think about, but it's important for us to stay positive, and we will get through it. So, but without further ado, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so I will be diffusing with my Dyson hair blow dryer. I've had this for about 3 months and I love it so far. What I can honestly say as far as drying time, it definitely has cut my drying time in half. So that alone gives me all reason to love this thing because my hair takes forever to dry. So far, so good. I do love this thing. I haven't used it for anything else other than diffusing because I don't straighten my hair. When diffusing, I normally put it on the first heat setting, so it's a low heat. And I like to bounce from low heat to cool just because it dries my hair a lot faster. And I've always diffused with a little bit of heat, always. Even when I was transitioning, I never just did solely cool just because it took way too long. So adding a little bit of heat is not the worst thing because it's not direct heat to your hair. So I start by diffusing my hair like this. I try to make sure that my roots are dry first, and then I start drying the rest of my hair. So when drying, I don't scrunch up, only because when I scrunch, it gives me a lot more shrinkage and I want more length. So what I do is I carefully place my hand right over here. Obviously it's not on because I want you guys to be able to hear me. And I just go like this. And that's how I dry the bottom half. So I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair and I'll let you guys see me in the process, and I might hop in and do a little bit of commentary while I'm doing it. But yeah, so that's that. Alright guys, so my hair is fully dry now. I have not picked it or fluffed it or anything, but this is my dry result. But ignore my red skin. Anytime I manipulate my skin in any way, shape, or form, like I could just tap it, my skin just turns so red. So when I diffuse and like the hot air is hitting my chest, it just turns red. But nothing to be concerned about, it's completely normal. With that being said, I totally forgot to tell you guys what was in my hair. So for the styler, I actually used the Afro curling Puree, and these are straight from the motherland themselves. They're straight from Dominican Republic. I got them, I want to say I got them in about like April last year, so I know that their expiration date is coming, so that's why I am going crazy using all the products because I completely forgot I had them, and they work so well in my hair. So as you guys can see, look at this definition. It smells so good, it's super soft, and I actually styled my hair using these products, so if you guys want a video on that, let me know down below. So I used this as my styler. Then I used the Wetline Extreme gel. It's an oldie but a goodie, like I use this all the time, and it just gives me the hold that I need, and it gives me the definition that I need. So, alright, so what I do next is I take an oil, and in this case I'm actually going to use the Bomba Curls Dominican Forbidden Oil. So what I normally do is I take a few drops, or that. So I take a few drops and I go ahead and massage my scalp. So this is actually a hair growth oil, and it's actually infused with amazing organic ingredients. So for example, some of the ingredients are pure coffee seed oil and castor oil, which are powerhouses when it comes to hair growth because it helps stimulate the scalp, stimulation leads to hair growth because you're stimulating your scalp and you're stimulating blood flow to your scalp, which will lead in hair growth. So once I massage my scalp a bit, I'll take the remaining oil and scrunch away at the crunch. I don't really have that much crunch, surprisingly. And then I will take a pick and fluff at my roots, but I don't even know where I put my pick. So I also like to take a little bit of the oil, like that much. And I'll go ahead and add them to my ends, just because I am in desperate need of a trim. And I've just been so lazy because my salon is in New Jersey, so it's a troop for me to just go out there and get a haircut. And I'm also loving how much my hair is growing, so I'm not really trying to get a haircut, but I definitely need it. So with this whole corona thing going on, I don't think it's gonna happen because my appointment is on April 5th, and from the looks of it, this is not getting any better anytime soon. So with that being said, I do have to get a haircut soon. Once everything clears up, that's definitely something that's on my agenda because I definitely know I have to reschedule that. But yeah, so like what I was saying, I like to add oil to my ends because those are the parts of your hair that easily get neglected. And in my case, like my ends definitely need a trim. If you guys can see, I don't know if you can really see. They are not terrible, but they could definitely use a trim. I don't know if you could see it. No, they mask really well. I feel like curly hair is like really good at masking your split ends because I definitely have a ton of split ends. I haven't gotten a haircut since February of 2019, so last February, which is crazy. So I am very much due and I am in the process. I will be getting a haircut and I'll bring you guys along with me. I still have to post that haircut because I have a whole video of getting it cut. That was my big chop that I did back last year, and I filmed the whole thing and I still haven't posted it. So I will be actually doing that super soon. Doesn't this look so weird? I wonder. Oh no, I think it's just the camera. But yeah, so that is pretty much that. Like I said, my diffusing routine is very simple, has not changed from my Instagram routine, but for the key points of my diffusing routine, I start at the roots and I make my way down to my ends, but I do diffuse flat. So I will use my hand and apply the diffuser like this to dry my hair flat so that way it retains more length. So that's that, and I do diffuse on a low heat setting and I switch from low heat to cool. And that's pretty much that. I think it covered everything, and then I use an oil once I'm done to pretty much seal the moisture in my hair and to seal my ends because my ends are a hot mess and your girl needs a haircut. So that concludes my diffusing video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.